Hey guys, today we will be preparing something called pizza cups. So these are the ingredients. I have used Parmesan cheese, pizza sauce, corn kernels, onion, tomatoes, chili flakes and capsicum. You can even use different colors like red, yellow to have them, and you can all use them both mixed. So today I am going to use green and bread. Keep the butter out for some time so that it is easy for us to put it on our bread. And one cup for cutting the bread, and even ketchup and the mixed herbs. First you roll the bread out completely, and if you're feeling that it is a bit dry, you can sprinkle a little bit of water on it. So guys, you can cut off the side from it when you turn it into a circle and put them in the grinder and make them into breadcrumbs, which can be used for making a lot of things, and also coatings for fried food. So let's start with our filling. So what I'm doing is that I'm going to cut them out into these small circles.
Wow.
So this is the bread left over from morning. You can use any type of bread, but today I'm going to be using brown bread. These veggies are found normally in our pantries, and you can find them at your home in your pantry. These are turning out way good than I thought. I got these 4 slices ready. Now we can start making the filling for this. So I'll add a little oil to saute my veggies. You can even use butter if you want to saute them. First I've added the onions. Then I'll add the capsicums and these tomatoes. The pizza pasta sauce. Doesn't that look so colorful? Mixed herbs and chili flakes. Add tomato ketchup for a little sweet and tangy taste. Sorry guys, little fell on my hand. So guys, you have to put the butter here on one side, and do not put the side where the butter is not applied. So the filling part has to go on this side. The butter is only so that it does not stick. Put a generous amount of butter, and who does not love butter? Take the Appe pen and place them like this.
This one broke for some reason.
Grate the cheese. Sorry we had a mishap. Now we are going to do it with only 3 breads. And also guys, we have small ones, so we are going to use this ones. If you have bigger than this, please use it on low flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. This is ready now and this is very yummy. And it also looks like few tacos.